Please hide my identity. I'm a junior soldier and I work in one of the departments responsible for the welfare and well-being of soldiers. Nzala pena mashoko obuda pangwani tiona kuti a junior soldier oya achikonfesa but panguwa ine oudza crime of Zimbabwe kuti please hide my identity. Noda kuti ika exposewa awa chinoti kalira ndoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tunataka poster this picture re ma junior soldiers obdanyira chiti. I'm deeply concerned with the current situation affecting junior soldiers in the ZNA, maybe both with the Air Force. These guys are living in extreme poverty and due to the nature of their work, these guys are limited even to raise up their grievances. They are not allowed to complain directly. These guys are sinking in the debts. They are not making it in their social lives. Relationships are shaking to a majority of them as well. Many of them, they don't own houses. Some are living with parents in the rural areas. Some are renting in high-density suburbs where they even struggle to pay rentals. Some are being summoned to civil courts for failing to take care of their small families. They are failing to enjoy their time off work, but they are choosing to go kumaricho kana kunomwa tumbwa due to depression. Vari kutambura vanhu vaye kumubvunza pavanhu anotya kutaura maererano nemutemo webasa, asi pasi pemoyo these guys are bleeding, and I'm sure some of the commanders, they are not aware of the real situation facing their junior comrades. They are in pain. Vari kutsvinyiwa nemawindi. Their families are exposed nekushupika mumarain om. Imagine net salary in US dollars for junior soldiers. They are earning $318, but due to massive loans, most of them are taking home less than $150. Please, dai maikwanisa mangoposta upa page penyu pamwe mashefu akazvinzwa nemutowo uyu pamwe vangazvitsvakurudze vakazvinzwisisa, because I'm sure this type of issues dzinoda immediate address. Ndotenda kana mukabetsera Toma developments are kubuda mumabarracks. Awapinda comment section medu za fundo imo kudipa pamusoro pechirwere ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.